Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chicken larb salad. This vibrant Thai Lao dish is known for its incredible balance of savory, sour, and spicy flavors, all brought together with fresh herbs. We'll start by gathering our core ingredients, focusing on fresh, high-quality produce and aromatics. This recipe is perfect for a light, flavorful meal that comes together in under 30 minutes, offering a truly authentic taste experience. Next, let's prepare our chicken. You'll want to cook 1 pound of ground chicken in a hot skillet over medium heat. Break it up into fine, crumbly pieces as it cooks, ensuring it's thoroughly browned and no longer pink. This step is crucial for developing the savory base of our larb. Once cooked, drain any excess liquid or fat to keep the salad from becoming greasy, leaving you with perfectly seasoned, tender chicken ready for the next step. Now for the heart of the larb, the dressing. In a bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and 1 tablespoon of sugar until dissolved. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of toasted rice powder, which adds a wonderful nutty depth and slight crunch. Finally, combine your cooked chicken with this vibrant dressing, along with thinly sliced shallots, fresh mint, and cilantro. Mix everything gently to ensure all the flavors meld beautifully. Your delicious chicken larb salad is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately, traditionally alongside crisp lettuce cups, such as butter lettuce or romaine, for a delightful wrap. You can also offer sticky rice on the side. Garnish with extra fresh cilantro, mint, and a sprinkle of dried chili flakes for an added kick. This dish is not only incredibly flavorful, but also wonderfully refreshing, making it a perfect choice for a light lunch or a vibrant appetizer for your next gathering.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.